How to add payment method in Lyft. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Lyft app. Make sure you have already logged into your Lyft account. Now at the top left corner you can find 3 bars, click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of payment. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. Under payment method you will be able to find the option of add payment method. Click on it. How would you like to pay? Bank account, credit or debit card, PayPal or cash? Go ahead and select the option that is suitable for you. Now you have to fill this, provide your card details. Lyft is an American company offering mobility as a service, ride-hailing vehicles for hire, motorized scooters, a bicycle sharing system, rental cars and food delivery in United States and cities in Canada. Lyft is your friend with a car whenever you need one. So go ahead and type in your card number. Type in the MMYY, likewise type in the CVV. Click on this drop down and select the country where you have issued this card. Type in the postal zip code. After you provide all these, click on the option of save, and with that your card details will be updated. Well, this is how you can easily add payment method on Lyft. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.